Review and manage employee qualifications and certifications, ensuring compliance with safety regulations. Access further options for employee qualifications and certifications. Manage expiration dates and renewals effectively to maintain a qualified workforce. Inspect detailed records for inductions and payroll exceptions to uphold compliance and accuracy. Access advanced details related to payroll exceptions for deeper analysis. Review comprehensive employee data to ensure all records are accurate and up to date. Check induction details to guarantee employee safety training compliance. Identify any payroll discrepancies that might affect employee compensation. Change the view to daily to track employee attendance and hours more precisely. Switch to a weekly view for broader insights into employee performance and attendance. Access additional viewing options for customized data analysis. Explore varied representations of employee data for enhanced understanding. Select a specific project to view employee assignments and related details. Adjust time entries to reflect accurate work hours for employees involved in the project. Reconfirm the time entry to ensure accuracy in employee scheduling. Set the end time for employee shifts, ensuring accurate payroll calculations. Fill out essential project details to maintain accurate employee records. Access project properties to manage settings and parameters effectively. Modify project details as necessary to keep your records current. Explore additional project management options for enhanced workflow. Finalize your entries to ensure all data is accurately captured in the system. Access options for reviewing submitted data and making necessary adjustments. Revisit the weekly view to assess employee performance on a broader scale. Switch back to daily tracking for detailed insights into employee activities. Navigate to further options for data analysis and reporting. Explore additional functionalities for optimizing employee management. Remove unnecessary entries to maintain a clean and accurate database. In summary, the new filtering feature in Kynection significantly improves your ability to manage employee data across regions. By following this guide, you'll enhance your operational efficiency, gain precise insights into your workforce, and ultimately make more informed decisions that drive productivity and compliance.